Good day, guys. Today we'll be learning about attributes. And what are attributes? Attributes are functions listed in a tag to make specific operation. So let's create an image tag. Yeah. And this is actually an attribute. This is also an attribute. Basically, anything before the quote is an attribute, and what I'll put inside this quote is the value of the attribute. So first, this is an image tag which does not have an image. So let's link it up with an image. And this is actually the image I'm trying to put, and this is the link image, and that is what I put here, .jpg. So let's save this and see what sorry, this is it. This is how big it is. So right now we want to make it smaller. So we use a different attribute. It is width, and let's set the width to 500, and then we create the height. Let's make the height. Let's put it 600. Then save. So this is nice picture, which we made the attribute, the width. Width is the attribute, and we made it 500. And height is also an attribute because it's in front of a quote, and it's in a tag, the image tag. So next I would like to go to another attribute, and that's hot. This means alternative. Yes, and what it does is that in case this picture doesn't show for some reason, maybe a typo, let's type in something, a typo, or maybe there's the network is low, and you can't just view the image, so it will show what is inside this alternative. Let's see this. So let's save this and let's try to reload, and it shows this is a tiger. So that's what means, alternative. It's mostly used for errors. So let's go to our next attribute. Let's use a p tag, and then so let's save this, and let's try the attribute style. So in this, for the p tag, it's going to be quite different from the image tag, because our image tag only has one tag. It doesn't have an ending tag. So we always put our attribute in the first tag, which is the opening tag. So let's put in something here. Let's try style, and there's like we see here, there are so many attributes value of attributes. The style is the attribute, while what you are going to put in this bracket, in this quote, is the value of the attribute. So let's stick with let's try color, and then we put in a nice color, maybe black. No, let's say red, and then let's save this and see what goes here. Let's go down, and this is an attribute. We can try something again. Let's say text align. Let's erase this. Text align. I can put this to the center. Ctrl S again, and we'll check this. We'll refresh. Everything is to the center. There's other attributes. There are so many for style, and the list just go on and on. So let's go up. Let's try another attribute. Let's see. Font size, and let's make it large. Now let's refresh. Has made it larger. So that's all for attribute. Join me in my next class. Thank you.